Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what are some pests that I have to prepare for fall and winter? There's a lot that goes into getting ready for the fall and the holidays, like getting groceries, cooking, decorations, in-laws. But one thing you shouldn't overlook is your preventative pest control for your overwintering pests. These are pests that are commonly found in the home through colder months because they come in to escape the cold. And with the holidays around, there's an abundance of food and trash. The most common pests that you should prepare for are rats and mice, stink bugs, cluster flies, beetles, cockroaches, crickets, and other occasional invaders. So what can you do about it? Apply pesticides at regular intervals and address any entry points into your home. Seal entry points with caulk or copper mesh, don't let vegetation creep up on the exterior of your home, and clear out any tree limbs that contact the roof. These are some tips that will help you keep your house pest-free over winter. Now, if there's only something we could do about the human pests. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. So what can you do about it? Good question, man. What can you do about it? Bet there's someone going to tell you.